Apple is set to launch its upcoming products next month, and the next generation Apple TV 4K is coming with some serious upgrades. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. First is that the Apple TV will be equipped with the A17 Pro chip. However, given the lengthy 4-year wait for a new Apple TV, it is possible the device will instead receive an even newer A18 Pro or A19 Pro chip. The current Apple TV still uses the A15 Bionic chip that debuted in the iPhone 13 series in 2021. Now with the new chip, the next Apple TV would be faster and will have improved graphics, increased RAM, and likely support for some Apple Intelligence and Siri AI features. Speaking of increased RAM, the device should be equipped with at least 8 GB of RAM, up from 4 GB in the current model. The extra memory would allow the Apple TV to support some Apple Intelligence features, and this will reportedly include Siri AI, and Siri AI will likely be limited to the new Apple TV with sufficient RAM and processing power. In 2024, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman said the next Apple TV will be equipped with Apple's own combined Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chip. That's the N1 chip, which debuted along the iPhone 17. That chip supports Wi-Fi 7, and in the latest iPhones, the N1 chip also supports Bluetooth 6, which would offer lower latency and other benefits compared to the current Apple TV's Bluetooth 5. There could also be an upgraded Siri remote, but the next Apple TV will have a similar design as the current model. Although Apple had discussed offering an Apple TV with a built-in camera for FaceTime and gesture-based controls previously, but there's no indication that Apple's moving forward with that plan for the next model in particular. The new Apple TV will likely be unveiled in September, along with new smart home products. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.